typical First Nation person's house. This is why it looks like I never changed my clothes. I need more orange shirts.
The biggest, baddest, bloodiest one in your gun and a ledger full of debts. You don't diffuse good graces. You simply need to pay up. Think about stepping out of line, trying to trade in your own global scale racketeering. The dollar isn't low in this story. You haven't been paying attention. It fights wars for tribute. And if you're still waiting...
Kawi, hasi perjalanan bandit tabau ma.
Full of bug, with money I got that shit getting rough. This your birthday, we gon' party like motherfuckers, like your birthday. You'll find me in the club, I ain't into making love, so come give me a hug.